Every day, Joey and his grandfather go out to feed the birds. It might seem like an undame story, but there's more to the story than meets the eye.
Would you like to feed the birds with me, Joey?
No thanks, I just want to play. I'm gonna go play on the slide. Granddad, have you seen my car?
No, I thought you had it.
It was right here.
Well, I don't have it. Anyway, I think it's nearly time to go for tea. Come on.
Okay. Breaking news! There has been reports of missing objects from residents of the community, such as a toy elephant, toy car, watch, a pair of glasses, and other such objects. Back to you in the studio.
Every season, Joey and his grandfather kept on feeding the birds until they got fatter and fatter and fatter until one day.